In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use a pre-built customer segment for sending an email campaign. An Alito application automatically creates different customer segments for you by utilizing different behaviors of consumers such as purchase behavior, browsing behavior, email behavior, or their cart abandonment behavior. These customer segments are pre-built for you. That means you can utilize these customer segments from day one itself for sending out email campaigns. As soon as you are logged into the Analyto dashboard, simply go to the customer segment section where you will be able to see the customer segment catalog. You can see this customer segment catalog in the grid view or in the list view. You can also use these customer segment to understand how many customers fall within a particular customer segment. You can arrange these customer segment on the basis of their names, so that by looking at the customer segment name you can easily understand what this customer segment is all about, and you can utilize this customer segment for sending the email campaign. So for example, let's say if you would like to send an email campaign to almost affected customers or average cart abandoners, you can just go to the campaign section where you can choose the customer segment of your choice and then run a customer segment based campaign. So I'm here in the campaign section. I clicked on create new campaign, and in the campaign editor section, I'll be able to name my campaign. I'll be able to select the customer segment of my choice, and then I can also decide what kind of products do I want to send these customers to. For example, in this case, let's say I would like to send an email campaign to customers who have purchased in the last month. I would like to send these customers something unique. So I can create an email template with an offer, or I can use a pre built email template offered by the system. So I can just name the campaign accordingly. So I can just put in the campaign name title as thank you. Once I've entered my campaign name, I selected the customer segment. I have mentioned the subject line, the preview text. I can go to the select template screen where I'll be provided with lots of different templates. I can pick and choose any template that I would like from this template gallery, or I can go to the campaign category drop down and select from a bunch of templates available. So I would like to send an email campaign to repeat purchase encouragement. So I'll come here, I'll select this template, I'll click on next. And when I go to the next screen, I'll be able to see what template I have chosen. If I want to make any modifications to that template, I can do that. Once everything is checked, I'll go ahead and click on done. And in the last screen, I'll be able to see what segment I have chosen, what products I'm sending, what subject line I have mentioned, what preview text I have mentioned, and I can utilize this pre-built customer segment for sending an email campaign. The advantage of all these pre-built customer segments is they are created by the application for you. So you do not have to worry about creating these segments on your own. These segments are utilizing the behaviors of consumers, and they are being created keeping in mind how you can stay on top of the consumer's behavior and how you can constantly understand which are the active customers, which are the inactive customers, and in this way, by utilizing these customer segments, you can have the most effective email campaign strategy, thereby getting the best campaign conversions and revenue from each of these customers. I hope this video is useful. Thank you for watching this video.